Baby, it's a love affair, it's a love affair, yeah. Oh, oh, I got it, it runs in my blood, oh. I love it, you already know, oh. I think my cousin, I'm lucky, you know, oh. It's my love affair.
Hello, beauty queens. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mrs. V. If you are new here and have not already became a part of the Beauty Addicts family, girl, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell so you'll be notified when we post another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I applied this beautiful synthetic lace wig by Sensationnel. Comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and it has an adjustable strap. The lace on this unit is simply gorgeous, ladies. It does come with baby hairs, but of course I do not use my baby hairs. I always use the hot comb to actually remove those baby hairs away from the hairline. So right here I am showing you guys how I actually use the hot comb to lay the baby hairs down to give me a more natural look. I did not pluck this lace at all, ladies, so I am applying this unit as it came out the pack. I'm going to go ahead and apply the Ebony Tint Spray on the inside of the cap. I'm using the color medium brown, and it is it's going to make the hairline look a lot more natural. This tint spray though is a little bit dark for me, but it actually doesn't look bad once I do what I need to do to make the hairline look a lot natural. Okay, ladies, I am also going to go ahead and remove the extra lace that they have in the front of this unit. The reason why I'm doing it now, I normally do this when I apply the wig onto my head, but I decided to try something different to see if I would like it better if I remove the lace before I apply the wig onto my head, to see if it will give me a more natural application. So we're going to go ahead with the wig application, and ladies, I absolutely love the fact that I removed that lace before I applied the wig. I like to cleanse first before I apply the hairspray onto the perimeter of my head. That just makes sure that hairspray is going to be more tacky and it will not come up. I am going to go ahead and use my hair dryer to make on a cool setting, just to make sure that it go ahead and dry quickly. I don't have to wait, and I definitely go ahead and finish applying the sides of the unit. And I did not, ladies, apply any of the hairspray on the perimeter sides of my hair. I actually applied it onto my hair behind my hairline, just because I think I like the way that looks, because it looks a lot better. And with this hairspray, the TGI hairspray, it actually does not damage because it's hairspray, ladies. And I absolutely love that I'm getting that really natural look. So as you can see on this other side, I am doing the same method, and I am just applying the lace frontal behind my hairline and not in front. I only applied it in the front, right there at the very middle part of my forehead. Okay, so go ahead, take out the hairpins that I have my hairpin back with. I just want to see what I am actually working with and see what do I want to do next. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply the Dream Urban Maybelline in my part. I use this, ladies, it is a cream, so I use that in the center part. I think it gives and looks a lot better to me than using the powder. I decided that I was going to go ahead and do a little bit of baby hairs. So I grabbed my favorite mousse, the 3-in-1, and I absolutely love this mousse, ladies. It does not flake. When it dries, it does not give off a flaky look or shine or anything. I absolutely love this mousse, ladies. So I am going ahead and taking out my baby hairs, and I'm using the extreme. I actually use this on my natural hair. I know I have not showed a video of my natural hair, but I'm gonna get to that soon. But I use this actually on my natural hair, and I like the fact that it doesn't flake at all. So that is the gel that I actually use, ladies. You can get that at the beauty supply store for literally chump change. Get the change out your car and go grab you some of that, because you literally get some for like $1. Like, it's super cheap. So I went ahead and removed that elastic band, ladies. I love to melt my hairline with an elastic band. It just makes it melt right into your skin. And I applied a little bit more of the darker foundation. As you guys know, I use the alcohol, and it kind of brought a lot of my foundation that I had on. It took it away. So I am going in a little bit more with some more foundation, just to blend that in a little bit with my Fit Me powder just around the hairline. So I went ahead with finger coiling the hair just to get those curls back. They kind of went away when I applied the wig, so I just wanted you guys to see an up close personal how that lace look, ladies. It is laid and slayed. Yes, ma'am. We're going to go ahead and get into the information about this unit. This unit is part of Sensationnel Butta Lace. It is part of the What Lace collection. It is in the color Flamboyage Chocolate. The style is Butter Unit 8, heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It does have an HD lace with a wider center middle part with baby hairs. This unit has other colors. If you guys look in the description bar, I will put a link to this unit, and you guys can choose your favorite color. I want to apologize in the review. I was sick and had a small cold. Alright ladies, we're going to go ahead and talk about this unit that I have on. I am so impressed. At first I was like, I don't know if I like the color. What am I going to do? So I just thought of a way that I can really make this color look really good on me. It is more in like a spicy ginger. So the texture of this unit is more of a yaki texture. It's like a yaki silky mix, but I can say that it's more of the yaki texture. I love the cut on this. It's not too long, ladies. I think this will be perfect for like if you wanted to wear this as an everyday wig. The way I applied this wig is I did do it like I would do like my 5x5 lace. But most of the edges, like right around here, is left out for me. So I left a little bit of my edges down, and I did use the Bedhead Tea IGI hairspray to do that, because it is a hairspray, ladies. To take it off, I just apply a little bit of water and voila, and it just slides right off of my hair. So I really do like the fact that it lays so well, and I can leave my edges out, which is something to me. If I wanted to wear my hair back behind my ear, I could definitely do that, and it looks still really natural with, you know, with my natural baby hairs. The cap size, I'll say, is about average. Cap size, it is big head girl friendly, ladies. So you could definitely, if your head is a little bit bigger than the average cap size, I'll say about 23 cap size, you definitely can wear this. It may be a little snug, but you can definitely undo the adjustable straps in the back to help on that, okay? You can apply heat up to 400 degrees
with this unit. I did apply heat when I did the, as you guys can see, when I was laying the lace, just to, you know, give away some of the flyaways. And so the lace construction is like a T-part lace. It does have a part down the middle, and then of course you have the lace that looks so natural. It didn't really need much plucking on this. Didn't do any plucking on the hairline at all. I can say this, ladies, I used the TGI hairspray on my last video, and it stayed onto my head for about I'll say about almost a week, ladies. I was super surprised. I wore the wig on my head that long just to see how long the TGI hairspray would actually last, and yes, it lasted for a very, very long time. So I say you can definitely get at least a week's wear. Okay, so with the butter lace wet lace collection, ladies, this unit comes pre-plucked. So literally you really do not have to pre-pluck this wig, ladies. So love that about this unit. So it does come ear to ear lace. I know on the last unit that I had with them, it came ear to ear lace, but that's how I figured out, okay, I can wear this lace like in part, some hair leave some hair out, because the unit didn't come all the way down. This one does. It did come all the way down. So if you, like I said, if you do not want to wear your hair out like I am, you could definitely bring that lace up and wear the hair out, okay? I mean, wear the lace out instead of, you know, wearing your natural hair out. Will I recommend this unit? I definitely will recommend this unit, ladies. This is a beautiful unit. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do a 360 on this unit. So this, of course, is the front of the unit. This is the side. This is going to be the back of the unit. And this is the other side of the unit. Super cute. I love it.
I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and remember, ladies, like and hit that notifications bell so you will be notified when we post another video. And remember, ladies, if you ain't laid, then you ain't slaying. Bye, my beautiful dolls.